The LG V20 is here, and today I'm going to review about the iPhone 12 for this mobile. So the iPhone 12 is not very boost. So they've got 4 colors: black, white, green, blue. So that's pretty nice. So the 64GB iPhone 12 is $829.99. 128GB iPhone 12 is $879.99, and then the 256GB iPhone 12 is $979.99. So there's the iPhone right there. It looks like the iPhone I'm looking for when I see it. So you guys will have your nice steady for your increasing front facing camera light. Power button on the right side of the phone. Brand keys on the left side of the phone. Along with your lit switch right here. There is front and back of the phone. You can do a camera system, camera flash, up and down. Where your SIM card goes, maybe right here, maybe I don't know. Very interesting, man. Very interesting. That's from the back of the one there. And there it is in the different colors. Pretty nice. Since the iPhone 12 5G to download movies and exotic and stream high quality video, beautifully bright 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. So make sure with 4 times better web performance, incredible low light photography with night mode on all cameras, cinema mode, double vision, video recording, editing and playback, powerful A14 bionic chip, and the massive accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. Let the fun begin. So quick specs on the iPhone 12, 6.1-inch display, 12 megapixel cameras, 7 hours of video playback time, 4K video, and annual wireless for tuning mode. Of course, as a work is really today, wait for the rental mode. Pick your point and activate them. Pretty simple there. Blast pass fast. 5G speed, 814 bionic. The fastest chip in the smartphone. Apple says that every year. They said that every fucking year. I don't know why they do, but they do. And it's OLED display. And that mode on every camera. To behold and beheld. The best iPhone display ever for incredible contrast and higher resolution with ceramic shield grids. Has 4 times better web performance. Hello 5G. Super fast speed, super low latency, so you can get better downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, and more time interactivity. So I wish this was a bit bigger. I don't know why it's so small. I don't know why. It makes no sense. I don't know why they can make it bigger. I don't know. The chip that pushes what's possible. A14 Bionic is the fastest chip in the smartphone, and a 16-core neutral engine. It crunches 12 operations each second, and it's super efficient for great battery life as well. So pretty nice there. Low light is now a highlight. Night mode on all cameras have dimly lit radios, even selfies, a new level of detail. Low light camera action. iPhone 12 lets you record, edit, and play back the vision video. Use AirPlay to Stream it to your Apple TV or smart TV. So, yeah. Specs. Both them chargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe, and key wireless charging capabilities. Video time 17 hours, 9 removable battery, 64, 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. A14 by iOS 14. You'll have dual 12 megapixel cameras with ultra wide and wide camera lenses. Ultra wide is an f2.4 aperture lens. The wide angle camera is a f1.6 aperture lens layer. Display is 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED. Dimensions are 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. The iPhone 12 weighs 5.78 ounces. You will have Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, Apple Pay, of course. You also have FaceTime video and audio, Apple Card, and Zoom, of course. So that's pretty much the standard features on that for now. Let's see. So that, and what is included in the box is your iPhone 12 with iOS 14 documentation and USB-C to Lightning cable, and that is it. No charging, no headphones, nothing like that. So keep that in mind. So if you guys need help with your iPhone 12, Beach Mobile has a cover with that with the press support watches of the 12. So yeah, system to know everything there is to know about this phone, and everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So the guys have the iPhone 12 is now at Beach Mobile. It's available for $829.99 for 64 gigs, $879.99 for 128 gigs, or $979.99 for 256 gigabytes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up because it will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.